You know what drives me crazy every time I hear it?
What?
Someone saying in Monday,
Oh no.
or on the morning, or at last week.
Wait, I think I'd said all three of those.
You probably have, and you're not alone. Almost every English learner struggles with at, on, and in when talking about time. Spanish speakers tend to use en for everything. Chinese learners often drop prepositions completely. Arabic speakers sometimes use fi, which translates to in for every situation.
That is literally me. I think in my brain, in was the default word for all-time phrases.
And today we are going to fix that forever. By the end of this episode, you will never guess with time prepositions again. You will know exactly which one to use, I promise.
Okay, I need this. Let's do it.
Welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's get into it.
So here is the big secret. The entire system of English time prepositions is based on one simple idea: precision. How precise is the time you are talking about?
Precision. Okay, say more.
Think of it like a camera lens. AT is the zoom lens. It points to one exact moment. On is the medium lens. It points to a specific day or date. And IN is the wide-angle lens. It points to longer periods of time.
So AT equals super specific, IN equals vague and large. Is that right?
Exactly. Let me give you real examples. AT is for clock times. At 3 o'clock, at midnight, at noon, at 7:30 p.m., you are pointing to one exact point on the clock.
At 5 p.m., at 11:45. Got it.
AT is also for specific moments in the day, like at sunrise, at sunset, at night.
Wait, at night? But you said night is a long time. Why is it AT and not IN?
Great question. Because night here means a specific point in the darkness when something happens. Like I woke up at night, that means one specific moment during the night. But in the night is also possible. We will get to that later.
Okay, so AT is for specific moments, one exact time.
Yes. Imagine you are standing at a specific spot on a map. That is AT. Now let's move to ON. ON is for days and dates. On Monday, on Tuesday morning, on Christmas Day, on January 15th, on my birthday.
On Friday night.
Perfect. Notice how Friday night is still a specific day. So we use ON.
On July 4th. On New Year's Eve. On the weekend.
Careful. On the weekend is American English. In British English, they say at the weekend.
Really? Same thing, different preposition.
Same idea, different side of the Atlantic. But either way, it's a specific period tied to a day.
This is already helping, so IN must be for everything else.
Basically, yes. IN is for longer periods, months. In January, in March, years, in 1998, in 2020. Seasons, in summer, in winter, decades, in the 1990s, centuries, in the 21st century.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
Perfect examples. But what about at night?
Right. Why is it in the morning but at night?
Because night in that fixed phrase is treated as a specific point. Think of it this way. In the morning means during the whole morning period, from maybe 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. But at night means the specific moment when darkness falls or when an event happens.
So I would say I exercise in the morning because it's a whole period, but I wake up at night because it's one moment.
Exactly. Now here's an interesting exception. Native speakers also say during the night for longer periods, but for the fixed phrase, at night is standard.
Okay, let me test myself. She was born October.
What do you think?
In October, because October's a month. Long period.
Correct. Next one. The meeting is 2 p.m.
At 2 p.m. Exact time.
Beautiful. I have a dentist appointment Friday.
On Friday. Specific day.
You are amazing. Now let me show you how these three prepositions work together in one paragraph. I wake up at 6 a.m. I drink coffee in the morning. I have my team meeting on Monday. I go on vacation in July.
At 6 in the morning on Monday in July. I can hear the pattern.
Good. Now let's add some real-life situations. Imagine you are planning a trip with a friend.
Okay.
You might say, let's meet at noon on Saturday in June.
At noon, on Saturday, in June. All three in one sentence.
Exactly, and that is perfectly natural English.
So what are the most common mistakes people make?
The biggest one is using in for days. In Monday. I hear this from Chinese speakers a lot because in Chinese, you can say 在周一, which literally translates to in Monday.
I definitely used to say that.
Another common one is using on 4 months, on December. That happens with Spanish speakers because en diciembre in Spanish can sound like both in December and on December.
So on December is always wrong?
Unless you say on December 25th, then it's a specific date. But on December alone, wrong.
Got it.
And my personal pet peeve is at the morning. That's not natural. We say in the morning. But at noon, at midnight, at dawn, at dusk, those are correct.
At dawn, at dusk. Those sound poetic.
They do. But they're also used in everyday English. I left the house at dawn. Totally normal.
Now, here is the part that surprises most people. There are some time expressions that don't use any preposition at all.
Yes, this is so important. We do not use a preposition before today. Tomorrow, yesterday, this morning, last night, next week, or every day.
So I can't say on today
No, just today. I have a meeting today, not on today.
or in yesterday.
No, that sounds very strange. Just yesterday. She left yesterday.
What about every morning?
No preposition. I run every morning, not in every morning.
This is so helpful. My brain was always trying to put a preposition in front of those words.
And you are not the only one. Learners from all language backgrounds do this. For example, Arabic speakers often say in yesterday because the Arabic phrase faramuse uses a word similar to in.
So the rule is, if the word already contains a time reference like last, next, this, every, today, or tomorrow, no preposition needed.
Perfect summary.
I want to practice more. Give me some sentences with blanks.
All right. Number 1, I will call you the evening.
In the evening.
Correct. Number 2, the store closes 9 p.m.
At 9 p.m.
Number 3, her birthday is March 12th.
On March 12th.
Number 4, we met last summer.
Wait, last summer. That has last, so no preposition. Just, we met last summer.
Yes. Perfect. Number 5, I always drink tea the morning.
In the morning.
6, he was born 1999.
In 1999.
7, she arrived Tuesday afternoon.
On Tuesday afternoon.
Beautiful. Now let me throw in a harder one. I work better night.
At night.
Good. The baby woke up the middle of the night.
In the middle of the night. Wait, is that right? Because middle is a point?
Actually, we say in the middle of the night. It's treated as a period. The whole middle section of the night.
So it's at night for a specific point, but in the middle of the night for a stretch of time.
Exactly. You just cracked the code.
Now I want to know about holidays. Is it at Christmas or on Christmas?
Both are possible, but they mean different things. On Christmas means on December 25th, the specific day. At Christmas means during the Christmas season, around that time.
So I will see you at Christmas means sometime during the holiday season. I will see you on Christmas means specifically December 25th.
Perfect.
Same for Thanksgiving, at Thanksgiving versus on Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Okay, I'm feeling really confident now, but I know there are always tricky ones. What are some weird exceptions I should watch out for?
Great question. One tricky one is at the weekend again. Americans say on the weekend. Brits say at the weekend. Neither is wrong.
But if I'm learning American English, I should stick with on the weekend.
Yes. Another tricky one is in time versus on time.
Oh, I've heard both. What's the difference?
On time means exactly at the scheduled time, the train arrived on time. In time means before something happens. I arrived in time for the movie to start.
So on time is punctual. In time is early enough.
Yes. And these are fixed expressions. On time uses on because it's tied to a specific scheduled moment. In time uses in because it means within a window of time.
What about at once?
That's a completely different thing. At once means immediately. It's a fixed phrase.
Fixed phrases. That's a whole other challenge.
They are. But for today, focus on the precision rule. AT for exact moments, on for days, IN for longer periods. That will cover 90% of your time preposition needs.
Let me do a final self-test. I'm going to tell you a story and you tell me if I got the prepositions right.
Go for it.
Last night, I went to bed at 11 p.m. In the morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. On Tuesday, I have a job interview. In June, I'm planning a vacation. I hope everything goes well on the day of my interview.
Leo, that was perfect. You only missed one thing.
What?
You said in the morning, which is correct, but you started with last night. Notice you didn't put a preposition before last night.
Right. Because last removes the need for a preposition.
Yes. So your story is correct. Last night, I went to bed at 11 p.m. In the morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. On Tuesday, I have a job interview. In June, I'm planning a vacation. All perfect.
I feel so much better. Honestly, I used to just pick in for everything and hope for the best.
And now you don't have to. Here is today's takeaway. One sentence that will help you forever. Think precision. AT is a dot. On is a day. IN is a space.
AT is a dot. ON is a day. IN is a space. I'm writing that down.
And one more thing. When you see a time word that includes this, last, next, or every, just drop the preposition completely.
No preposition before this. Last, next, every, today, yesterday, tomorrow.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Maya. This was exactly what I needed.
You are very welcome. And to all our listeners, try this challenge. For the next 24 hours, pay attention to every time phrase you say or hear. Notice whether it uses AT, on, or IN, or no preposition at all. You will be amazed how quickly you start hearing the pattern.
That is such a good idea. I'm going to do that.
And if you want to practice, leave a sentence in the comments using all three prepositions. I will read them and give feedback.
Let's hear a few more examples before we go.
Sure. She graduates in May. The ceremony is on the 15th. It starts at 10 a.m. sharp.
In May, on the 15th, at 10 a.m.
He works out in the morning. His favorite class is on Wednesday. It begins at 6:30.
In the morning, on Wednesday, at 6:30.
They got married in 2019. The wedding was on a Saturday. The photos were taken at sunset.
In 2019, on a Saturday, at sunset. Beautiful.
See how natural that sounds? You can do this.
I believe I can now.
Thank you for joining us on Speak Like a Native. If this helped you, share it with a friend who also struggles with prepositions.
And remember, AT is a dot. On is a day. In is a space.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.